into my channel for the very first time, virtual hug, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Nike. Thank you so much for being here today, and to all my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you for always showing me love on this channel. I don't take you guys for granted at all. I really do appreciate the love and the support. So guys, I'm all dressed up and about to go out, and I don't have my eyelashes on today. Yes guys, that's because I wanted a very quick review of this product that was sent to me for free from MAC Cosmetics and from Influencer, guys. Yes, so this is a mascara that was sent to me from MAC Cosmetics. You guys love the packaging. I love that it comes in yellow. It's so beautiful. Anyway guys, so the name of this mascara is the MAC Magic Extension 5mm Fiber Mascara. Do you guys see that? And over here it says it's the MAC Magic Extension 5mm Mascara, like lash extensions in a bottle. So it's apparently it's like a lash extension in a bottle. Guys, you guys can see I'm not wearing eyelashes. They said this is like lash extension in a bottle. So we're gonna be trying this out. They said 90% said lashes achieved over the top exaggerated volume. 90%. Like guys, on a scale of 100, 90% actually said the lashes achieved over the top exaggerated volume, and 94% said lashes looked longer, fuller and lifted. Guys, when I'm buying my mascara or when I'm using my mascara, I always look for volume. I love my lashes to look like, yes, like eyelashes, but obviously not long like eyelashes. But this actually says 5mm fiber mascara. Okay, as always, this product always comes with the instructions and what you're supposed to do. Let me show you guys what it looks like. This is what the packaging actually looks like, guys. Can you see that? I hope I'm not holding it upside down. So this is what it actually looks like. It's the MAC Magic Extension 5mm Mascara. And it says ditch your false lashes. Hey, Nike is gonna be ditching our false lashes. Let's open it and see what the bottle looks like, because I really haven't opened it. But before I do open it, it's 37 ounces of liquid fluid that's inside the bottle. Let's see what it is, guys. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my god, wow, I love the feel alone too. I love the feel as well. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. I love the bottle. The bottle is so beautiful. It just looks so classy, and it has this look which I think is beautiful. It just looks so elegant, so classy. I love this. Do you guys see? It's the MAC Magic Extension. I went ahead and did my research on their website. I'm just gonna read to you guys what it said on the website over here. So the full description of this mascara says, like lashes extension in a bottle, lengthen your fringe to unreal fox levels. Guys, they said this mascara boasts extreme 5mm long fibers for an extravagant false lash look. Okay, it's just that extravagant false lash look I want to see today. So we're gonna be trying this. So what's gonna happen, guys, if I put the first coat and I'm not satisfied, I will go on and put the second coat. So you guys let's do this together. This is what it looks like on the brush. They said it's fiber. I want you guys to see this, so I'm just gonna put this here. I don't know if I can see the fiber, but I'm gonna check it out now. But can you guys see? This is what it actually looks like. So, oh yes, I can actually see the fiber. It has some weird smell. I guess it's because of the fiber. It has that smell. It just has some weird smell, guys. And I'm thinking it's because of the fiber. So, we're gonna divide my face into two. I'm gonna start with my right. So I'm gonna just fix this on my right eye. Okay. I am actually giving it so many coats because they actually did say this can replace false lashes, so I just want to see how that goes, guys. Okay guys, so you guys see, so this is the eye without the mascara on it, and this is the eye with the mascara on it. I'm still gonna keep trying, although yes, I actually do see that there's actually a difference. From you guys can see that it has more volume on here, but I don't know if I'm satisfied yet, so let's keep trying, guys. You guys see that? So yes guys, I actually do see the difference on this part of my face. You can see that it gave my face more lift, more volume. I can actually see that here. Can you guys see? And here, yes, it's just flat, but here I just look more what's the word, guys? I don't know, but I'm gonna dip this one more time for the same eye and see what it looks like, because I am not trying to fix my false lashes today. I am trying to get these lashes in a bottle. So you guys should hold on. Let's do one more time. Okay, so one thing I'm not liking about this is I don't like when I put my mascara on and this happens. Do you guys see that? But let's keep trying, guys. It's probably me. Oh god, this hair is in my way. Let's get this out of here. I don't like that. Okay guys, so 2 coats. If I don't achieve what I want, I'm gonna keep adding more coats to it until I get what I want. So this is the 3rd coat. I'm gonna try one more time. Let's see how this goes. See guys, this is not bad after all. Okay guys, okay, I can already see the difference, guys. First of all, guys, what do you guys think? In my opinion, I actually do feel like yes, it could actually be true to its word as the 5mm mascara, fiber mascara. Yes, you guys see that? It's giving my lash a boom, like it's like give my eyelashes a lift, a boom. Like there's a difference, guys. You can see it. My face looks even more glamorous on this side. Like the volume, like it's the volume for me, guys. I can even see it from my eyes, like it's really up there, it's standing. It has a weird smell. I can't even deny the smell, but I'm gonna guess it's just because of the fiber in it. It has this really weird smell that I don't like. Do you guys see that? Yes guys, so for me, yes, this is 100%. They actually did say 94% said the lashes look longer and fuller and lifted. For me it's 100%, like yes, out of 100 it's 100. My eyelashes does look longer, yeah, fuller, it's lifted. I can feel it guys, it is really lifted. But I'm gonna say it depends on who is trying it on. For me, I had to put the coats 3 times. You guys did see that. I had to go on there 3 times for me to achieve that fuller, longer, lifted look. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be, but I don't think on a one-time application you can achieve that. If you guys understand what I'm saying, I don't think if you do that once you're gonna achieve this look, the fuller, longer, lifted. I don't think so. I think you have to keep going. I like it. Yes, it really looks like yes, I fixed an eyelashes, to be honest with you, because I don't have my natural eyelashes. So I do have these natural eyelashes that I do fix if I don't want anybody to know that I fixed an eyelashes. This is giving me that vibe of that natural eyelash look. Where can you purchase this product? I'll say you go on the MAC website and Ulta Beauty as well. You're gonna get it on Ulta Beauty and MAC, and I think one more website I saw it on. Give me one moment. Yes, it's just MAC, Ulta, Macy's. Yes, true guys, I was correct guys. You can actually get the eyelash from MAC and Ulta. Now, is it worth the price? This eyelash is actually $25. Usually the eyelash I use is the Anastasia eyelashes. This is quite pricey, but I think it's okay guys, like because of the volume it gives. Do you guys see that? Just look at this, like look at this guys. I like it. I like it. I like it. Yeah, so on days I kind of feel like, oh, I'm not in the mood of fixing eyelashes guys, you know the struggle of fixing an eyelash, so this will be my go-to. I really do love it. Thanks to MAC Cosmetics and Influencer for sending me this product for free. As I said guys, if you want to purchase this product, head on over to the MAC website and also to the Ulta Beauty website and get this product. I think the $25 should include taxes, am I sure? So I think not. Absolutely wrong. Yes, but it's $25 from what I do see here. I can show you guys. So if you guys can see, that's MAC website, Ulta Beauty, this is it there. So you can actually purchase this eyelashes. Try it, give it a try guys. If you always struggle like me with fixing your lashes, this should be your new go-to guys, trust me, and you would love it. Anyway guys, I don't want to talk too much, but I have come to the end of this review. I will be doing the rest off camera because the struggle is real. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video to this extent. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Please do remember to hit the like and the subscribe button down below, and also turn on your notification bell so you could be notified anytime Nike uploads a video. Bye guys, ciao.